Painting your leather's edges by hand can take a long time if you want to get a clean, crisp edge. That's why we've come out with a tabletop edge die roller. With this, you can paint your projects in a fraction of the time it would take you to paint them by hand. And it really makes for a simple cleanup with less waste. Before getting started, you should know that this is meant for water-based dyes and paints only. We're going to be using Weaver's Exact Touch Edge Paint as it gives a deep, consistent color that dries fast. This is the paint regulator, which helps control how much paint you're applying. More on that in a minute. Unscrew this knob to remove it so you can pour your paint in. You'll want to pour in enough so that it reaches the roller. When you've got enough in there, it's time to reattach the paint regulator. The regulator scrapes off the excess paint off your roller, which can help give you crisper edges. The housing has a small notch on the side, which will allow you to place the regulator at different distances depending on your project and the viscosity of your paint or dye. Once you've got it in the spot you want, tighten the knob to fix it into place. When you're first starting, you will want to use a piece of scrap to get full paint coverage on the roller. Once your roller is looking good and covered, you are good to start running your projects over it. This product has been designed for quick and easy cleanup, as the pour spout on the tray allows you to pour out your excess paint and reduce waste. The tray is also removable, meaning you are able to really clean out every corner of this product. This die roller is really going to speed up your edge painting process and will give you cleaner, more consistent results on your projects. If you have any questions on this or anything else in this video, feel free to reach out. We will be glad to help you. Thanks for watching.